In front of me is NOKIA 1.4, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, unroll the list of all apps, go to settings then, and pick display right here. Now click on advanced and select wallpaper. And here you can choose some album from which you would like to select your wallpaper. Let me go with art. And as you can see here, we've got many different options. So let me choose, for example, this one. And if you like it, if you would like to apply it as your screen, just tap on Set Wallpaper. Then decide if it is to cover your home, lock screen, or both of them. I will choose both. And that's it. As you can see, from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home and lock screens. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.